Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can send money from Revolut to Swedbank. It is very easy to do. Just what you'll need to have is information of Swedbank IBAN and middle name, or the first name and last name. So that's pretty much it. So go to your Revolut account and you'll see the payments tab, and after that you'll see this new payment tab. Then you'll need to select on a bank icon right here, and then you'll need to select individual or business. So select one of those, then select country, currency, put the correct IBAN and check it. If that IBAN is right, put first name and middle name, last name, and email. It is optional. And after that you will be able to put some notes, and you will see blue send button. Click on that one, review all the taxes and information. If that is correct, you will be able to send money to Swedbank bank account.